Ang asukal ay nakakapagbigay ng instant na energy at nagpapalabas ng mga feel-good hormones tulad ng dopamine. Kaya tayong mga Pilipino ay madalas na tinatangkilik ang matatamis na pagkain dahil ito ay pampatanggal pagod. Dito sa Bohol Bee Farm, makakatikim ka rin ng iba't ibang masasarap na delicacies na pasok sa matamis mong panlasa.
So this is your very famous squash bread.
Yeah.
So we have here malunggay and honey spread. This is butter-based na?
Yeah.
Masarap yung honey spread.
And this one is the honey balina, fermented coconut wine. Cheers.
Cheers, ma'am. To good health.
Yeah, good health.
Isa sa malalaking produksyon na ginagawa dito sa Bohol Bee Farm ang paggawa nila ng ice cream na may mga hindi pangkaraniwang flavors. Gamit ang fresh ingredients na sinusource nila mula sa mga local farmers sa lalawigan.
Fresh coconut.
Yes.
So ito yung puso nung...
This is kaka-harvest lang po.
Opo.
Yep.
For an ice cream recipe kasi, ma'am, what makes your product unique is ito nga po yung pinakapuso.
The coconut milk po.
You know?
Yes, it's
No
80% po coconut milk. Dalawa ang magre-receive. And then from receiving din po, it's also been checked inside din po. The smell, the quality, yes po.
Yeah, tsaka especially if you guys have been doing it for so long, visually pa lang makikita mo na agad yung yung quality.
Yes po,
no?
yes.
Tapos ma'am, maganda kasi dito, you guys are sourcing your coconut
from locals.
And the flavors na ginagamit ninyo from locals.
Yes po.
Cheers.
So right now we're making malunggay ice cream. This is one of our top 3 best sellers namin po. So it's this, malunggay, guyabano, and then for some reason charcoal is on the 3rd top na namin.
Charcoal. Activated charcoal.
Yes, activated charcoal,
okay,
yes. Because we use fresh fruits, we have avocado, melon. We don't use powder for our ice cream. We use the real thing. So kaya matitaste nyo talaga ang flavors.
Masasabing 100% made with love talaga ang ice cream dito sa Bohol Bee Farm. At ang prosesong ito ang lalong nakakapagdagdag ng tamis sa labi ng mga nakakatikim nito.
Oh my God, perfect texture. Grabe.